tip of the day. Don't laugh at this place's name. Okay then. Wow, I'm so good at breaking rules. This explains it all.
Ace of Spades Product 100.
This is Paramount. This is New Line.
No. This is margarine stored in Canadian Torchic TV. Why do I sound so obvious?
Sam, I need to tell you something about the golden screw. The reason why I turned it is because Jokermingo 0044 is trying to steal it so he can upgrade the Supreme AI World Venom Edition.
An error has occurred whilst receiving the current news from today. Reason, Hieroglypholia 945 0405 54.9 I 30 to 4 kilometers 45 I 0443 left square bracket 0 0 0 9 98 PJH 5498 formula origin 5 or 9 out gradually hour 90 log dirt 9 squared 39 303 W car 493 I 9 I rock comma 4 car GJ 9 I.
Well, hello there. I actually saved you from that gibberish seizure. I'm Mrs. Emoticon. It's so nice to meet you.
Hey, thank you so much. What's a berry that has a straw in it? A strawberry. Ha 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 ha. Scotty has been chosen to be teleported. Please choose a location to teleport him to. If I had to choose, I'll pick Auckland. The YouTube troll police are scared of Joey Wheeler's red eyes black dragons. Evil face. Also from the help of the Galaxy team, right? Submit an error request for my Microsoft Sam series. If you do, you will get unlimited tacos from Taco Bell and a coupon for Burger Town. Okay then. I'll do that as soon as possible. Windows will now smash your videos, pinball machines, the BGCB, and your C /drive with a hammer. No.
And this hammer is real.
Please insert the Windows gibberish installation floppy now. No, I will not, I do not want to have infinite bouts of gibberish seizures, no. Terms and conditions. I diarrhea Joroi Gregory Aqua 0 R 934 Rujtavkwieva Jakajkakdla Diorder Wow you swath Kruakskoroid Joe 0 RK 3 assert 0 4 F with left square bracket Fqueni left square bracket Fquenau left square bracket F 0 G 998 PJ H 5498 formula origin 5 or 9 out gradually hour 92 log dirt 9 squared 39 303 W R 493 I 9 I rock comma 4 R GJ 9
I saved you again.
Wow, thank you so much. See, and you speak gibberish? No, and please turn off caps lock. Today's weather, cats, dogs, lions, and foxes are falling out of the sky. Oh no.